You searched how to buy shares of A2Z Cust2Mate Solutions Corp, a company focused on industrial automation and fulfillment solutions. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AZ, and this information is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AZ to find the listing. Confirm the company name shown to make sure you've located the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the right security. Check the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker AZ before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order parameters carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next opening. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the trade. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.